Today, lesson structure of atom and the topic Rutherford model of atom. Yesterday, I explained the Thomson model of atom. Before earlier, I explained the Dalton atomic theory. Rutherford was born at Spring Grove on 30 August 1871. He was known as the father of nuclear physics. इनको न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स का पितामह कहा. He is famous for his work on radioactivity and the discovery of nucleus. एटम में उन्होंने न्यूक्लियस का बताया, इसके चलते उसको याद किया जाता है. न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एटम. On gold foil experiment, he got Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1908. Rutherford was interested in knowing how electrons are arranged within an atom. He selected a gold foil because he wanted as thin as layer as possible. The gold foil was about 1000 atoms thick. उन्होंने गोल्ड फाइल को चुना जो बहुत पतला था. द गोल्ड फाइल वॉज अबाउट 100 एटम्स थिक. 100 एटम 1000 एटम से भी पतला. Most of alpha particle, nearly 99%, pass through the gold foil undeflected. Maximum alpha particle जो गोल्ड फाइल में बिना किसी डिस्टर्बेंस के क्रॉस कर गया, पास आउट कर गया. सम ऑफ द अल्फा पार्टिकल अबाउट 1 in every 20,000 वेर डिफ्लेक्टेड बाई स्मॉल एंगल. 20,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल में केवल एक अल्फा पार्टिकल was deflected by some angles. एक छोटे एंगल से वो डिफ्लेक्ट मुड़ गया. ये few particles were either deflected by very large angle or were actually reflected back along the path. ये few particles were either deflected by very large angle, कुछ उसमें large angle से डिफ्लेक्ट होता है और कुछ बहुत कम एंगल से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा था. Rutherford explained his observation as follows. Rutherford ने एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद फॉलोइंग ऑब्जर्वेशन उन्होंने किया. Most of the space inside the atoms is empty because most of alpha particle pass through the gold foil without getting deflected. Rutherford ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि most of the part in atom is empty, खाली होता है, जिसके चलते अल्फा पार्टिकल आसानी से क्रॉस कर जाता है. Particles passes through the gold foil without getting deflected. Very few particles were deflected from their path. Only few particles get deflected from their path, indicating that positive charge of the atom occupy very little space. There is a positively charged center in an atom called nucleus. The electron revolve around the nucleus in circular path. जो सेंटर में जहां से अल्फा पार्टिकल रिफ्लेक्ट कर जा रहा था, उस पॉइंट को रदरफोर्ड ने he said that this is the nucleus and there is a positively charged center in an atom called nucleus. The electron revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. इलेक्ट्रॉन उस न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ उस सर्कुलर पाथ में घूमता है. Here I am showing after crossing the alpha particle in a gold foil, see maximum rays cross out because maximum portion of the atom is empty. Only a few rays, these rays bend with more angle and some rays bend with very small angles and maximum portion is empty. Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. This was the Rutherford experiment in which he told that the maximum part of atom is empty and only few rays come out, and that was known as nucleus. Related to this Rutherford model of experiment, I am giving some study materials in WhatsApp group. You see, write and understand. Next day, I will teach you about other model of atom. Thank you. Have a